In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a ClickUp checklist template and task template. If you've been on the hunt for a way to streamline your workflow and make day-to-day tasks easier, this tutorial is just what you need. ClickUp is a versatile platform known for enhancing productivity through its robust task management and collaboration features. Let's simplify your process. To start, ensure you have an account with ClickUp. If you already have one, visit the ClickUp website and click the Login button. From there, you'll see the option to sign in with Google, which is a quick and seamless way to access your account if you're already logged into Google on your browser. Choose the account you'd like to use and you'll be taken straight into ClickUp. Once you're logged in, you need to navigate to where all the magic happens. Look for the three dots on the sidebar. This button grants access to more advanced features within ClickUp. Click on those dots to reveal a drop-down menu and select the Templates option. Here you'll find a wide array of pre-designed templates to fit various needs and purposes. After selecting templates, click on the Browse Templates button to open the template library. In this library, you're able to search for specific templates by typing a keyword in the search bar. In this case, type checklist to narrow down your options to only checklist related templates. With a list of options now before you, browse through and select the template that best fits your needs. For instance, if you find a weekly checklist template appealing and it seems like a good match for your workflow, don't hesitate to click on it. This action will bring up a preview of what the template consists of and how it could be tailored to your workflow. To apply the template, click on the Use Template button. At this stage, you'll have the opportunity to give the template a new name to better reflect the task or project you're working on. It's always helpful to label your templates clearly to make locating and referencing them in the future easier. After renaming, click Use Template again to finalize your selection. Your template is now ready for action. Access it by clicking the newly created template in your workspace. You have the option to edit the current tasks within it to suit your specific requirements, or if preferred, you can start entirely fresh by adding new tasks. And there you have it, a customized checklist template within ClickUp to enhance your productivity and keep your tasks organized. Enjoy managing your tasks more effectively, and remember, with ClickUp, the possibilities for organization and efficiency are endless. Thanks for watching, and get ready to revolutionize the way you work.